episode on this YouTube channel. My name is Hendiba. And I have the beautiful fashionista Rolicles in the house.
Hello everyone. Hello.
Yeah, and she made all these beautiful fine design. Design that will make you want to have baby girls. They're really nice design. You guys should check her out. I'll put the link to our website there. So
nice.
Today, thank you for coming on the show. I know that came on the show, came to your place, so I'm calling in our studio. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about 5 industries, or is it 5 or 6? 6 industries that are booming in this season despite the coronavirus. The novel, they used to say novel coronavirus. So what industries are booming and how can you position yourself strategically to be able to enjoy the boom and make something cool for yourself and make some cash for yourself. So let's start with Rolicles. What industries are booming?
The first on the list is the food industry.
Yeah, we are there. We are here.
Yeah, and I was like, FC Bar, what else are you doing? What else are you going to add to what you are doing? The people that are selling food right now, they're the people that are making the most of the time. Now, if somebody wants to do a CSR for a community, they must include food. You see them patronizing the people that are selling at this time, carton of plenty things. Don't let us mention their names so that I won't give them free advertisement. So that's like the first on the list. So if you can kind of pivot your business in such a way that you position yourself to serve people in that aspect at this time, there's no how you're not going to make
True. And there are a lot of long queues at supermarkets too. Especially those that sell raw food. I think it also works for those that sell cooked food too. If you can be strategic, you really like make some money, cash in.
I had somebody makes cake, and this morning she had already added my to her
business.
And she delivers like every morning. Hot one, you get it hot.
There are a lot of ways. Food is like a major thing now. We're on lockdown, but our stomach is not on lockdown.
Even the people that are fasting at this time, they will still eat at the end of the day. So I think it's a good thing to do at this time.
Yeah, and then the second industry that is booming now is health and pharmaceutical.
Yes.
I heard when they said chloroquine was a cure for coronavirus, that so many people rushed to the pharmacies. The pharmacies were going out of stock on chloroquine. But even outside chloroquine, several other drugs are really like hot cakes right now.
Apart from now, the thing is, if you are sick, most people that are sick now, they don't want to go to the hospital.
Yeah.
No, if you are, it's not everything around, everything happening to you now concerning your health is not about coronavirus.
Exactly.
So definitely you patronize those people. They are selling, the people that are selling drugs, the people that are selling other
pharmaceutical services.
Yes.
True.
They are making money at this time.
And these days, people don't want to go and take paracetamol. Any small thing, they don't rush, and
Vitamin
so that
C.
vitamin C, yes, a lot of multivitamins and antibiotics as well. Okay, so the third industry that is making it, or industry that you can key into in this season, will be
fashion. The fashion industry. Yes. I'm going to say the fashion industry because at this time, if you're a fashion designer, you have to kind of pivot your business in such a way that it will serve individuals, it will serve companies, it will serve governments too. Right now, you can produce face masks. You can do now. I was telling somebody that there are 3 types of face masks. You can produce some for the vulnerable. You can do produce for individuals. Then you can do vanity face mask.
Which one is vanity again?
Those
fashion ones that
the fashionable face mask. There are people who are buying it. I heard somebody did a face mask and the person was selling for 27,000 naira.
Wow.
She will have a target audience and she said, don't be deceived.
Wow.
That there are people are not selling that much. Leave the tone, leave one, and you need to check out the price.
Wow.
like selling just a piece.
Wow.
So you can do for the vulnerable, you can
That's
give them for
interesting.
free, you can sell to them.
I want to learn how to make face masks.
People are resuming work and they need to get protected.
True.
So you can make face masks, you can make the PPE, you can make scrubs, you can make bed sheets for hospitals. Make it in bulk, sell to them, take it to them, sell it to them, and you make money. If you're a fashion designer and you're not making money at this time,
When people are getting sold out, and you know the beautiful thing is you can make it with different fabrics.
yes,
This is made from ashoke.
yes,
This is made from ashoke. There are some what's from cotton.
pure cotton.
Okay.
Just pure cotton. Then you
The
can make,
Ankara.
the Ankara. You can use
Okay,
Ankara
yes.
fabric to make it too. You can. I was trying to make for somebody with Adire.
Wow. That's
You know,
interesting.
those are ethnic face masks. You can just be creative. Think.
Yeah. So really, there's money. People are cashing in. You don't have any excuse. Okay, so I think for me, the fourth industry making it now will be logistics.
Yeah. Those people.
They're making a whole lot of money, as in tons of money. You know, there's a guy I knew that just decided his logistics during this lockdown, and personally for me, I made money because every time I always have one delivery or the other, and he has to go and make my deliveries. You think it's affordable, but it doesn't come free, and they made a lot of money from it. So if you have a car that you don't park in your house and you're saying no money, I want things. You know, really, if you have a car and you have a smartphone, you have people on your phone, your WhatsApp or Facebook, you can start. You can even start car deliveries, car services, car hire services. Your car is just there, not make anything for you. I think you are broke. I know it's a broke, so so you need to think outside of the box and really do logistics. Yeah,
it's a nice one.
The fifth industry will be content creators.
Oh.
Yeah, that's your specialty.
Those are the people cashing out now, as in making. Some people are making millions.
True, true.
What exactly is it that you know that you're keeping to yourself? Somebody else needs to hear you. Somebody else needs to learn from you. I hear people saying, what do I know? I don't know anything. The little that you know is enough for you to start.
Yeah.
That was what my coach told me. That I always tell you. I said, the little that you know, it's enough for you to start. Go and start. Start anyhow. You see,
and you get better on the job.
Yeah, some of you know how to do makeup. You're not teaching anybody. We are just saying you are just finding and finding like that.
And they don't know where they'll find to go to now. We're all on lockdown.
Like who did, like J Touch did what was it?
Personal makeup.
You are in your house, you just want to learn how to freshen up and do some makeup and just touch yourself and all that.
True.
She did it. How much was it?
I think 1.5.
Imagine 1.5 with a WhatsApp class filled to capacity with 257
money, 200 and something thousand. But Lord.
Whatever you know, whether you're a designer, whether you're a carpenter, whatever you think you know.
You're right.
That's what you're selling right now.
You know, even me during this lockdown, I think I'm a baker. I've always had graphic skills for like God knows how long.
Oh my God!
I'll just sit down.
I enrolled for that graphic class.
I'll just sit down and just start creating stuff
Wow.
with my smartphone. So it's like the comfort of your house. And guys, you don't know how much I've made just teaching people how to use their
He was just sharing with
smartphones.
me today.
As
In groups, he was teaching them simultaneously.
So really, so there's so much, that little thing in your hand that you feel is not a big deal. Like I was saying, the girl that told me how to make soup. So imagine just teaching me how to make soup, and from there she started teaching other people how to make soup. Like soup is what she does regularly. She didn't see any big deal to it until I'm like, baby, you're sleeping on dollars. I said, wake up.
I have 5 classes that I've paid for. I've gotten the content. I've not had time to
Wow.
If I still see another today,
You will still before.
So that's the thing with online knowledge sharing or content creation for knowledge sharing.
Yeah, knowledge sharing basically.
Knowledge sharing. It's that if you create it once, you earn for life.
For life, for life.
In the next 20 years, you see somebody that is just learning about what you know.
True.
And needs to learn about it. I can't tell you categorically how much I've made, but I've made money, and I'm still making money every day.
It's a continuous money making something.
Those drugs.
And that sound of alert is so sweet, my father Lord. You know where you're like, oh, another one. I just feel like, oh, another one. Oh, it's okay. But really, guys, this is Just you.
Create time. Do whatever you record, whatever you think you know. Document what you think you know. Then begin to sell.
True. And I think the last thing I want to add about those who are making it in this season are people that are entertainers.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like you have the emergence of so many comedy skits or people singing, home entertainment. Yes, a lot. So because people even do Insta live, so you have so many of them every day. They just show up, just say one or two things that make you laugh or make you question your sanity or something, and then before you know it, they're already booming. And some people are also trying this gaming.
They will become an influencer.
Exactly. You will pay them, and you'll be yapping them that what's this one thing? What nonsense does this one thing?
Do they know? It is well.
Yeah, so but really guys, the essence of all of this is for you to know that there's something in your hand that you can use. You know, I was watching the TV like 2 days ago and someone said, why in a digital world you cannot use analog in digital world, meaning that the future of work has changed. Industries are booming. Don't just sit down and be listening to all this negative. People die. That is
you know what I did? I stopped listening to the news,
which is better
because I just pick strategic times that I listen to the news, because I don't want to be overwhelmed with the news. It's saddening. It's hard. How will I put it?
Yes, now news is
overwhelming.
Bad things.
Honestly. So forget about it. People are making money at this time. It's about what you can do, what you can bring to the table. What problem exactly can you solve?
True.
If you look inward and think very well, you see that there's something that you can lay your hands on, and it will bring you
do it. True. And so don't despise that. You know, yesterday I was talking with someone, and she was talking about being laid off at work, and she didn't have what to do. And I just felt led to ask her, like, what skill do you have? And she told me she could make hair. In my head, I'm like, Father Lord, you can make hair, and you're still looking for 10,000 naira per month job. When you can, you know, imagine, of course, if she does braids for someone, maybe 3 or 5 people will give her 10,000 naira doing braids. So why would you now sit down and, let's say, worst case scenario, you do 2 per week? At the end of the month, that's already 8.
Yes.
So, and that's already like, let's say worst case you make like maybe 1,800 or 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira times 8, that's maybe like 16,000 naira.
Compared to nothing.
Do you get it? So it's something, and what you have in your hand in this season is important. Industries are booming, so you can look for any of these mentioned industries and key into them. It's going to take a lot of hard work and perseverance, because exactly. So you have to just put it and do something, but stay positive. Like when people say, stay off negative vibes. Stay positive.
Stay positive.
And
make money while at it.
Exactly, and there's no evil in making money. Don't be over spiritual about that making money thing. Make money thing. Make money. Because your world needs you rich. We need you rich. So I'm saying palliative to people here and there. So guys, that's been the episode today. Thank you, Rolicles, for joining me today on the channel. If you are not subscribed, what are you doing?
I don't know.
See my eyes. I'm changing my eyes for you. Please hit the subscribe button right now and turn on notification. Thank you for watching, and thank you to Rolicles for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me on your channel. Thank you.
My pleasure. So guys, I come your way again next week. Stay fabulous. Remember to subscribe and check out Rolicles website. It's in the description box below.
Oh my god, thank you.
Bye.